name is Epic Really Fast. Okay, and today I'm going to play Red Fraction again. Oh, my son is already shooting at random people. Wonder if they won't even notice me. Okay, never mind. Random security check. Whoa! Oh crap! I forgot! Ah! No, don't die! Don't. God dang it! Oh. Oh. Don't move. I'm gonna find my son again. So bored. Okay, let's see. Don't move it. Guess what? Right in the... Oh my god! Yeah, I don't care. Look at him. Fuck, yeah. Fall down the hill. Where are you guys? You ran away like a little baby. But I will king your face. Oh. Ow! Hello, bro. Oh, he's running away. Fuck! Stun! Why did you shoot me, by the way? I hate you. I hate you. You don't even give me a freaking gun no more. Dun, 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 dun. Now I get to cheer you on. Hey, stop shooting, bro. A car! Pow! I love when they get hit. Guess what, people? Oh, I know how to use it, people. I just want to know how to kill you! Faster. Whoa! Roger. Epic jump! Oh! Oh, no! Go! Oh, come on. Seriously? This is gonna be fun. Trying this. Oh, it's so fun. Oh, no! Don't hit those. Oh, no, it's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up. Leak. Oh, no. No. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh, I ran over him. He didn't even want that. Oh, that was a fail. Woo! Oh, right up it. Backwards. Watch this. Oh, yeah. What? Wow! I jumped out so high. Ow! Fail. Get in there.
Kinda busy here.
No, get in. Oh, come on, you stupid.
The EDF has confiscated every walker in Dust.
Yeah.
Wait, check your men. When you get the walker, I'll bring the truck around.
Right in the rib. On it. Right in the face. Right back. Population demoralized. Done on it. Go find a car. You guys are running from me. From me. That's what you're saying. New car. Son, how many times do I have to tell you not to shoot me? Bad to shoot. Now let's jump with this little... Hey! Why can't I get in? Get in! Come on, you guys! God dang it, I just want to get in the car! Oh my god. Oh, no. It needs C. Yes! Oh my god.
Check your men.
Look at that shoot.
When you get the walker, I'll bring the truck around.
I don't care about a Molomis. Whatever. No. Get back here. Get back here, you little punk. I'm gonna race. I'm gonna get you. He's shooting him. Son! Whoa! Whoa! That was cool! I just hit him and the whole thing exploded. exploded. It's freaking awesome. Oh my god, that was cool. Dude, he's alright. He's just dead. Where are you now? You ran away like a little baby? Oh, you're hiding, okay. Okay, aim right at your head. Oh! Oh! You know, right? You don't get. How do they know? Always know where you are? Oh look! Somebody. Oh god, that's not a good thing. I'm locking to survive. Uh oh. Get in the car! Get in the car! Get in the car! Go away! Go away! No! 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 Can I get in? Can I get in? Maybe? 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 No! 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 I can't. Nope! 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 That was a bad idea. I should just get in the car. I'm just gonna get in the car one more time. Just in the car. No. I'm going millions of more times. Oh my god, there's it on the screen. There's it on the screen. Let's do this. Let's actually get in the car this time. Okay. Now run! Run! God dang it. Run away! Oh. Let's go 2 at 1. Now let him run. Let him run off. And get distracted by that guard there. Kill him! Good job. Good distraction, boy. Oh, he saw me. You know what? I just hate you. Nice. Yeah, that's what I thought, son. You don't want a spanking? Don't shoot me. Oh, he's so dumb. Let's jump this thing. Whoa! Oh, you were paying attention. Watch this. Woo! Oh, I didn't even land on you, and you ran away. Oh, I know what to do now. Whoa! Freaking explosions everywhere. Hello. It's like, hello. Yellow. I'm gonna jump on that building there. Does it work? Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, I didn't want to do that. Hard. I can't get back in it. No, I'm not.
Kinda busy here.
Oh, no. Why is hitting barrels have to do with anything exploding? Seriously? Literally, I hate when you guys have blown me up with barrels that don't even look like they have anything in it. Want to hit this barrel so freaking hard. Oh, I don't care. Just destroy the freaking building. Oh wait, can I pick up this barrel? God damn it. I hate you, barrels. You suck. Go! Uh-oh. Son, you just disappoint me in many ways. How do I pick that up? I can put bombs? Whoa! Oh god! That wasn't a good idea. Let's get hot. God dang it. I'm gonna blow up this thing here. Boom! Pretty colors, huh? Pretty colors. Pretty colors. Pretty colors. Let's do this one here. Go, go, go! Oh well, I'll try. Oh, that didn't mean to go there. Stupid thing. Get on. Ah! Whoa! Oh, I killed a colonist. He was running for his life. No! Run over! Kill him! Oh, I should have done that. That would have been so cool. Whoa, I love blowing up stuff. Jesus Christ. I am spending a lot of money on debt. Oh, come on, bro. I'll just have to do this. How are you not dead? You stupid son of a gun. Oh look, fire! I'm gonna step on it. And I don't step what? How does this make sense? Oh, I'm the king of stuff. And then your video. Oh, it's only been 1 minute? Wow. Or 10 minutes. Not very long. Anyway, I'm just gonna die now. I'm gonna go hit these big barrels over here. Barrels. You're coming with me, Sean. Oh, come on. Come with me. Oh, whatever. You're such a bummer. Oh, I'm gonna get... Oh my god. It's water. Hey! Boom! Okay. There you go. My butter's crying now. So I get to hold the video. Oh, pretend you never saw that. Pretend you never saw that finger in the way. We're not going to play very long because it's been already 11 minutes. You're not speaking. You're not speaking. No, you're not speaking. Do. Okay, let's do this.
Mike, check your net. When you get the walker, I'll bring the truck around.
Of course it's crazy. You guys, I don't know. You're stuck on it, dum-dum. It's something explosive. It's something explosive. Uh-oh. That's not a good idea. Ooh, you hit the wall. You hit the wall. Yes, everything. Never gonna get there. Oh, take it on the ground. I'm so angry at my wife. I'm just gonna take it out on these humongous rocks that don't break at all. Okay, maybe little pieces. Oh my god, just jump off. You know what you should do? Crawl up that big humongous hill, not that hill, the one you jump off, right? And then just jump off and just and fail. See if you can actually make it up there. Don't hit anything, just try and get up there. No, just go up the right way. See if you can get up there. Go. Oh, you need a car. You can't use those cars, they're too heavy. Oh my gosh. Just blow up something already. Yeah, just ride around in that thing. Hurry, click it. I'm not paying for anything. Yeah, whatever. Who cares about colonists? I'm not gonna get out there with that truck. Yeah, just jump off the edge. Jump! Woo! Oh, you made it! Yeah, just drive. I dare you to drive into that barrel over there. Humongous. Barrel of death. Come on. Not those ones. The ones that blow up easily. They're like, drive into it. Drive into it. Hurry. Go. In. And go, go, go. Go, go, go. Just drive into them. What kind of driver are you? Let's jump up, dude. And just ram into them. Yeah, do that. Back up. And then jump. Do this. What are you doing? No! I meant the barrel's right beside you. No, I don't. Yeah, just come on. Come on. Back up. Wham it! Oh, you didn't even make it to those! Holy moly. You're still alive. Crazy. Oh, I better end this video. See you guys later before it gets too long. Bye.